Searching for the hottest new 3D printer? We have researched 25 different models, then picked out the 5 most promising printers to view. Keep watching the video to see which printer is the best of the best, which is the best for beginners, and which ones you should consider when shopping on a budget. So let's dive into action right away in order to find out what's so special about these printers. In this review we are going to talk about best overall 3D printer, the Ultimaker 2 Plus. This is the clear recommendation for those that want the absolute best of the best 3D printer. This sleek and stylish printer has phenomenal print quality, even with some of the most difficult prints in our research. On top of this top-notch performance, this product is super easy to set up and operate, even for a complete novice to 3D printing. This printer even includes a mobile app to guide you through the initial setup process, with even more documentation online if you run into any sort of difficulties. This capable printer had an impressive build volume and a helpful support team behind it. However, all of this performance comes at a premium price, and this model is one of the most expensive printer. This product is for those that want the absolute best, and are willing to pay for it. The more casual hobbyist is probably better off with a less expensive option, but those in a professional or semi-professional setting will love this printer. It's all about this printer. Thanks for watching this quick review. Number 2. The best value 3D printer is Cindo 3D WOXDP201. Delivering one of the top performances overall, the Cindo impressed us by its solid print quality, exceptionally easy to use. This product is essentially turnkey, ready to use as soon as it is removed from the package, and a very brief and easy calibration process is completed. The printed models are very high in quality, and the learning curve associated with this printer is so shallow that total novices can be up and running in a matter of hours. The Cindo competes with models that cost almost twice as much, and is packed full of useful features and functions, such as wireless printing and a built-in webcam to monitor the status of your prints. This all combines to make this printer an exceptionally awesome pick for community uses, such as schools, libraries, makerspaces or co-working spaces. Unfortunately, this printer does use proprietary filament, so the cost per print is slightly higher, but not by much. You also are limited to only using PLA, so no experimenting with the more exotic filaments that have recently become readily available. Despite this, the Cindo more than makes up for by being so easy to operate, and we highly recommend it. Number 3. The Best by 3D Printing, the Crility CR10s. It produces the high-quality prints and relatively affordable price compared to the competition. This printer matched or just barely trailed behind the top-of-the-line printers in many of our research, is reasonably easy to use, and has an absolutely massive build envelope, letting you print giant models with ease. Unfortunately, the customer support is pretty much non-existent, and it definitely is far from a turnkey printer out of the box. However, these are not insurmountable obstacles. There are plenty of online resources and forum posts to help you through the assembly and troubleshoot issues, if you don't mind a little research. All in all, this is an excellent printer if you are shopping on a budget and are willing to do a little tinkering. Number 4. The best for tight budgets 3D printer is Monoprice Select Mini. Recently updated to V2, this minimalistic and adorably small 3D printer delivered a solid job across the board. It retails at a fraction of the cost of any other model in our research, and does an acceptable job at printing in PLA. Unfortunately, it does not have a particularly large build area, is not the easiest to use, and can be exceptionally temperamental when using ABS filament. However, it is an absolutely fantastic option for someone just starting out, and doesn't want to spend a ton of cash, or for anyone else who on a tight budget. Number 5. The Top Pick 3D Printer and a Cubic Photon. This resin printer handles detailed and delicate models that would be absolute catastrophes on almost any of the other FDM printers that we have researched. We also like that the customer support for this printer was quite comprehensive and helpful. It has a respectable set of printing capabilities. However, this printer is quite a bit more work to us than the other printers, is considerably messier, and requires quite a few more accessories to operate correctly. Nitrile or latex gloves are recommended for handling the resin, and cleaning and filtering the resin from the printer can be quite a hassle. Additionally, you also need a bath of isopropyl alcohol, and another of warm water to wash your finished prints. Despite being significantly harder to use, the models are unparalleled in quality to any other printer we have researched, making it the perfect choice for someone who wants small high-quality models for display and is not afraid to put in the work for them. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe the channel. If you have any question or suggestions about these product recommendations, feel free to write down in comment section. See you next time only on Tech Empire.